Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Discord for crypto step by step. Join trusted servers, enable 2FA, and read pinned guides before clicking links. Set a unique username and configure privacy settings to limit DMs. Use role channels to access resources and ask questions politely. Verify via official bots when required, and keep your seed phrases offline. Treat direct messages with caution and confirm any token info independently. Find servers focused on projects, exchanges, or trading strategies and join official community links. Review member counts, activity levels, and moderation presence to judge credibility. Search audit channels and pinned announcements for launch details and contract addresses. Avoid servers that pressure you to invest or share private keys. Use bot commands to access verified token info and historical charts, and cross-check data with reputable sources. Lock down your account by setting a strong password, enabling 2FA, and restricting who can message you. Avoid clicking unknown invites and double-check invite URLs for subtle typos. Use separate accounts for trading and social activity when possible to segment risk. Report scam messages to moderators and block suspicious users immediately. Keep software and wallets updated, and never share seed phrases or private keys in chat, even with moderators ever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.